All right, today we are unboxing a creworks ultrasonic cleaner. So let's see what we get inside the box. I just bought this off Amazon. It's packaged half decent. Some foam. All right. Nothing else inside the box, just two pieces of foam on the top and bottom. That's really all that's protecting it. It also has some foam on this drain spout, so not a whole lot of protection. But overall, looks in good shape. I don't see any dents or anything. I did see that was one of the complaints with this, is it's just not packaged the best. So a lot of people end up getting dents. What else we got in here? We got our power cord. We got the drop-in basket. And there's the instructions, but we don't need them. That's it. That's all that's in there. Now this is the 30-liter model, which I believe is roughly 8 gallons. So it's a pretty good size one. I plan on really doing a lot of like car part cleaning and things like that. That's why I wanted to get one of the bigger ones I could find. But overall, it looks good. Later on, I'm gonna fill this up and see how long it takes to heat. It can get up to 100.
Yeah, I was wrong. It is 176 degrees in Fahrenheit.
That's one of the big complaints on all these I've seen, is it just takes a long time. So we'll fill it up with just some cold water and see how long it takes cold water to get up to max temperature. So I'll make a video later on about more on the initial performance of this and how it goes. And then as I'm using it more, I'll make a video later on about just the overall, after trying it a few times, what I think. And then potentially I'll even buy a couple other brands and we can do like a side-by-side test. If there's anything you would like to see, used in these, as far as what kind of, solution or solvent or some kind of home mixture, and any type of things you want to see, put in here to be cleaned, you just leave a comment. And then if you can please like and subscribe, that'll be awesome. So there's lots more to come.